Today, we will talk about Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. If you need health insurance, you may come across a health maintenance organization, which is a type of insurance provider that offers coverage through a network of physicians. With an HMO plan, your primary care physician, PCP, will refer you to specialists, and you must stay within a network of providers to receive coverage. HMO plans typically have lower premiums than other types of plans. HMOs provide health insurance coverage for a monthly or annual fee. They limit coverage to medical care provided through a network of doctors and other healthcare providers who are under contract with the HMO. HMO plans typically have lower premiums than traditional health insurance plans, but they also come with additional restrictions. When deciding whether to choose an HMO plan, you should consider the cost of premiums, out-of-pocket costs, requirements for specialized medical care, and whether it's important to have your own PCP. HMO subscribers pay a premium to access medical services within the organization's network, but are limited to receiving care from doctors within the HMO network. Some out-of-network services, such as emergency care and dialysis, can be covered under the HMO. There are typically low or no deductibles with an HMO, and copays are usually low, minimizing out-of-pocket expenses and making HMO plans affordable for families and employers. Individuals covered under an HMO plan must choose a PCP from the network of local healthcare providers. The PCP is the first point of contact for all health-related issues and must provide referrals for specialty services. Some specialized services, such as screening mammograms, may not require a referral. If a PCP leaves the network, subscribers are required to choose another PCP from within the HMO plan. HMOs are regulated by both states and the federal government. The states largely regulate the insurance industry, and no federal law overrides state regulation unless it explicitly does so. There is some federal oversight, such as the Federal Insurance Office and the Center for Consumer Information and Insurance Oversight, CCIO. PPO plans offer more flexibility than HMO plans, allowing participants to use the services of any provider within their network, and even providing out-of-network care. HMO plans, on the other hand, require participants to receive healthcare services from an assigned provider within the network, and typically do not have deductibles. POS plans are similar to HMO plans in requiring a policyholder to choose an in-network PCP and get referrals, and similar to PPO plans in providing coverage for out-of-network services. However, POS plans have nationwide coverage and often have lower in-network copays. HMOs offer lower costs, higher quality of care, lower out-of-pocket costs, and simplified billing. However, they come with restrictions on use, a requirement for referrals, and specific conditions that must be met for claims to be covered. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. A health maintenance organization, HMO, is a network or organization that provides health insurance coverage for a monthly or annual fee. 2. HMO plans require participants to receive medical care services from an assigned provider known as the primary care physician, PCP. 3. Preferred provider organizations, PPOs, and point of service, POS, plans are 2 types of healthcare plans that are alternatives to HMOs. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.